Hey guys, so it's time to bring you another Lux SB unboxing. If you guys aren't familiar with Lux SB, it's luxury scent box. It is a scent box subscription that sends you a fragrance to try every month. They get a month's worth. So they send me a couple of options to share with you guys every month. So if you guys are curious to see what I received in my June Lux SB bag, then just keep watching. Okay, so normally they send you one fragrance a month, but because of the whole COVID thing, they are also sending out antibacterial hand sanitizer with every bag for the month of June, I believe, which is definitely a nice touch because who couldn't use a little extra hand sanitizer right now? I know I could. Okay, so what do you normally get in your box? You will get a box like this and a velvet pouch to hold your fragrance in, and inside the box, if you haven't seen these videos before, I try to post them every month, are these little canisters like this. They're usually metallic color on top, matte black on the bottom. You twist to open and to dispense. And inside tells you what your fragrance of the month is. This one is Shea and Blue Watermelons. So if you want to switch them, this is how you open the canister. If you want to travel with it, that is how you close it to make sure that nothing comes out. So I'm just going to twist it open, give it a spritz. Okay. It smells like a floral watermelon. So it's not just going to be like a Bath & Body Works fruity scent. This definitely has like that perfume smell to it. And I'll put the notes here when I'm editing this video. I mean, I definitely smell watermelon, but I'm also getting like strong floral. So we'll see if I was right. The second fragrance they sent me to share with you guys, this one comes in a metallic red top. This one is Shea and Blue Blood Oranges, so the same creator, but different fruity scent. I like that. That smells like fresh squeezed oranges. Yeah, I like this one. It'll smell like I just came off of like an orange grove or something. I like that. And the third one that they sent me to share with you comes in a gold canister, and this one is Emerald Wet Stone. Wet Stone. So I'm wondering if this will be more of like a musky one. I definitely smell some like men's cologne scents in here. With a hint of lemon maybe? A hint of lemon, a hint of another fruit in there that I can't quite pinpoint, but I like this. It smells clean and fresh without being overly masculine. And honestly, I like to wear, there's a Prada cologne that I like to wear that has spearmint in it. Marketed it as a men's scent, but anyone can wear them. I don't feel like scents have to be men's or women's. Wear what you like. I have a discount. So if you guys are interested in signing up for this, I have a discount code down below on your first box. I like this company because you can customize your schedule for when you get what fragrance. You can also leave it completely up to the experts, and they will have you fill out a questionnaire, see what you like, see what you don't like, and they'll just send you things that they think you'll like each month. Or you can customize it. Like if you know you're going back to work in the fall and you want like something professional, you can pick a certain scent to come in your August or September box. So I like that. I like that you can kind of request certain things and try certain fragrances instead of kind of tossing the dice and seeing what happens. You can do that too. But for me, I personally like to know what's coming. I like to be able to plan. I like to be able to customize things. So that's just my personal preference. So this month, I like all three. We have watermelon, orange, and more of like this clean scent. I like all of them. We'll continue to use them. A couple months ago, I got one that was like a vanilla scent, and everyone says that I smell like toasted marshmallows when I walk by. So I like that too. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the sneak peek for what is in this month's box. As always, there's a link to sign up down below and a discount code. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.